Hello and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to download a WhatsApp status. First of all, you go to Google Files, then go to Settings and enable Show Hidden Files. After that, scroll down, select Internal Storage, then go to Android, then on Media, select WhatsApp, again select Media. Then in the top right corner you'll see statuses, click on that, and now you have your status. By pressing longer, now you can save the status. Click on the three dots, then click Copy to, Internal Storage, and then choose your file. After choosing, click Copy here, and now if you go to Gallery, you can see your status. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.